Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin with essentials and the first actionable steps. You must run Android 9 or later. Once confirmed, open Settings and go to Network or Connections. Tap Private DNS right away. You will see three options. Select Private DNS Provider Hostname and enter the DNS hostname you were given. Type it exactly. Once done, press Save or OK and leave settings open so you can verify connection. Make sure your device has a working network before continuing. Now you continue with the more detailed execution and verification. After saving the hostname, clear cached DNS by toggling airplane mode off then on, or restart your browser. This forces lookup to use the new resolver. To verify, open multiple websites and apps. If they load, DNS likely works. For deeper checks, install a DNS test app or use terminal commands on a PC to query your hostname. Make sure to compare results before and after. To confirm the change, complete the process by finishing setup and preparing one troubleshooting tip. If sites fail after configuration, restart your phone first. That resolves many glitches. If problems continue, change Private DNS back to automatic to confirm connectivity, then re-enter the hostname carefully. Spelling mistakes are common. Finally, if you still can't connect, contact your DNS provider to confirm the hostname supports DNS over TLS and isn't rate limited. This single check often fixes mysterious failures when everything else looks correct.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.